So I'm going to take 6x minus 11 and substitute it in for the y value. These are two different lines. They intersect somewhere. Where do they intersect? When x and y are the same value. So this x and this x should be the same number. This y and this y should be the same number. That's the only time that they'll have the same values. Other than that, whole different values all across the board. So from there, I'm going to plug 6x minus 11 in for y. We call that substitution. So all I did so far was substitute 6x minus 11 in for y.
Oh, this is all coming back from there.
Do you remember this? From here, we're down to algebra 1 stuff. So I could take and distribute my negative 3 to the 6x. The negative 3 to the negative 11. Negative times negative is positive. Yeah. See how it works. I might be able to, in theory, I could post this to the homework page in case kids are stuck on number 1. So sometimes I like to use my pen to mark left side versus right side. Sometimes that helps me instead of drawing a line. I know most teachers draw a line. On the right side, all I have is negative 7. On the left side, I have an x term, and a constant term. So these two can combine, and negative 2x minus 18x is negative 20x. From there,
Are there algebra 2 books?
no, there's not. From there, I have like terms, 33 and negative 7, but they're on different sides. So what would you do? How do you get that 33 and negative 7 together?
Combine them.
Combine it, but you can't combine it if they're on different sides. So how do you move something to the other side?
Make it a positive 7?
You could. You could move this over here, but now everything's over here, and that's going to cause more trouble, more work. You technically could do that.
So what do we do? Would you subtract 33 from both sides?
That's what I would do. That would be the easiest. Subtract 33 from both sides.
So then you're going to have a negative, you're going to have a positive.
That's okay to have negatives. Well, yeah, I don't like negatives for sure, especially in a bank account. And then negative 7, I owe $7, now I owe $33, that'd be negative 40.
What? You want to keep them racking up?
I know. And then what do I do from here?
Figure out how to make 40 bucks?
Figure out how to make 40 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come to your house.
But we're trying to find x, so how do I get rid of the negative 20 in front of the x? Well, this is negative 20 times x. You don't add it,
You divide it.
you divide by negative 20.
Which will then give you x, and x equals negative 40.
Well, close.
Boom. Wait, am I wrong?
Negative 40 divided by negative 20, the negatives cancel, the zeros cancel, so what's 4 divided by 2? 2. So I just found that these intersect when x is 2.
Yep. Ow.
To find the y value where they intersect, we pick any equation we want. We have this equation. We have this equation. Your choice. Which equation looks easier to plug into? Which one looks simpler? The top one. So I would plug in that, and it says to find the y, you just take 6 times the x minus 11. That's all you got to do. So to find the y, you take 6 times the x minus 11. And 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 11 is 1. Solution is x first. What was x? 2. 1. I highly encourage you take your answer and plug it into the other one and just double check it. So is 2, 1 the solution?
Yes.
Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And then you have negative 3 times y is 1, negative 3. So you get negative 4 and then negative 3 and you get negative 7. So I know without a doubt I'm correct. Another way you can check your work.
The easier way.
Easier way for some of you, yeah. I don't know. I'm not familiar if I could type it in like this. I guess I can. So here, see, 2, 1. That's the answer. You see that?
So we can just type the whole entire problem in this?